to see what kind of tool is really a tool of high quality. From the start, a tool of high quality, you will not have the pain of changing. I wanted to rant a little bit today, okay? The premise of this rant is not to dismiss using good tools in today's world. And what do I mean by that is that nowadays you have pretty much a lot of choices. You can choose one amongst 40 notebooks to use daily. You can choose one of 200 applications for task tracking, note-taking, project management. And it can be very, very difficult to make the choice in the first place, but also to remain consistent and using these tools to see what kind of tool is really a tool of high quality. I think that today it's very important to choose a tool of high quality, since if you choose badly and it will be a bad tool of lower quality, it will basically not serve you, or it will serve you just in 10%. And two stories from my life about that. The first one is that I decided to use a bullet journal, and I went the route of choosing the official bullet journal by Leichturm, and then I saw that it's completely incompatible to writing with a fountain pen. And I am writing with a fountain pen daily. I like it. The experience is something that I enjoy, and it calms me, and it's something very nice in my life. And I didn't want to dismiss the writing with a fountain pen just because the paper in the official bullet journal is not fountain pen friendly. I switched to the Rhodia bullet journal, and it actually was painful because there were notes in my Leuchtturm that were just there, and I did not want to waste my time to rewrite them in the Rhodia, but at the same time I didn't want to have separate notebooks for parts of this year. It was a mess. And this is what I mean by choosing a tool of high quality. If you choose from the start a tool of high quality, you will not have the pain of changing. For example, I was searching for a note-taking application since at least 2 years, and I was torn between the privacy of data and the speed of use of the application and the functionality, and I have finally settled on something I didn't think I will settle on. A very bizarre choice, because it's a very niche application called Reflect. It's a paid application. It is stored in the cloud, so you might think that it's not secure, and actually it's not the case, because the team is very nice. It's a small team. They are declaring up front they will not take any VC funding, so the risk of somebody closing down the company is way lower than with VC funding. They are really reactive, and they are iterating very nicely with developing the application, and I like it, and it's far better than bigger applications like Notion, and or maybe even Roam Research. And there's really no downsides, because actually the notes inside of Reflect are end-to-end encrypted, and so nobody at the company can read them. And also, since they will not take any VC funding, there is no risk somebody will close the application, and also there is no risk that somebody will force the company to access those nodes. You see an authoritative government, for example. And so I have chosen Reflect, and actually the tipping point for me was that they implemented GPT-4 in such a way, a clever way, that you can edit the prompts, that it's a game changer for me and for the way I work. And so thank you, Reflect. Thank you to all the team that is developing the app, and I'm with you.